Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making 2-ingredient lemon Cool Whip cookies. First thing you're gonna need is just a box of cake mix. I'm using the Pillsbury lemon cake mix. I love lemon, in case y'all don't know that, I love that. And then you're just gonna need a container of Cool Whip. Make sure you take it out of the freezer if you have it in the freezer so it's nice and thawed. I just put mine in the fridge day before yesterday, so it's nice and thawed, but I mean, of course, cooled. So yeah, let's get started. So I actually lied. It's technically 4 ingredients. You don't have to use the third one if you don't want to. I'm going to use the recipe right here, old-fashioned recipes. My sister actually sent this to me. So it's considered Cool Whip cookies. Use 1 box, any flavor cake mix. Chocolate, red velvet, lemon are really good. And one 8-ounce Cool Whip and an egg. And then you're going to, when you mix all that together, you're going to take a spoonful of like your cookies and drop it into powdered sugar and then put them on the thing. So kind of like peanut butter cookies. Excuse me, when you do the kisses on them, you can roll them in the sugar and then bake them and then put the kiss on the top. These are kind of the same thing. You will put them in the powdered sugar, and then when they bake, they look great. I kind of want to try the chocolate one too, but I only have lemon. But we're gonna do the lemon. So let's get started. Of course, I will have everything linked down below. Okay, so I let them bake at 350 for 12-ish minutes, between 12 and 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna let them cool for like a minute or two before I go to move them and then repeat. That's it. That's the final product. So easy, so fast. They're so good. You get the powdered sugar all over your lips. They're chewy, they're soft, they're perfect. They are absolutely the perfect cookie. So easy. I can't wait to buy other cake mixes and use these. It's just phenomenal. The other ones are cooling right here. I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.